Hello everyone, this is Dr.Huma Ibrar. I wish you all a good day. So today we are going to talk about pocketbook, but before starting, if you still haven't subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So many of you people were asking about pocketbook. As you may already know, I previously made a video about part 1, but there have been some changes in it. And today in this video, I'll give an overview of new version of part 1 and I'll also give an overview of part 2. So those who are confused about whether they can clear the exam with this pocketbook and other material, you can follow me on Instagram to check clients' reviews about book and material, and also you can check reviews in Facebook page. I've shared my Insta and Facebook page link in description box also. In addition, posts are also available in YouTube comment section and community section. Anyone of you who is interested in Pocketbook and MCQ Bank with 32 files that are free of cost for those who will purchase Pocketbook. For that you can contact me on my mail ID that is also given in description box. I will be grateful and pleased for your reviews in comment section about Pocketbook. So let's start with part 1. Now, let's take an overview of part 2 of Pocketbook. But before starting, I would like to inform you all that now Pocketbook will be updated at the end of this year and will be available for you all from 1st January 2024, inshallah.